Hello, my name is Micah Ross.
Hello, my name is Cynthia Shackelford. Hi, everyone. I'm Dion Shannon.
I'm a part of Deborah Deras' incredible Be a Paid Speaker mastermind group.
What I like most about this group is the spiritual aspect of it. Whenever you start anything new and you put spirit first, synchronicity happens.
One of the greatest takeaways from this is that I have clarity about my message of being a paid speaker, how to get my message across, and to make sure that it's important and it's impactful to the audience that I'm speaking to.
I have gotten so much confidence. Don't I seem confident right now? I didn't want to do this. When we first started with this, she puts in this whole process about being intentional, seeing yourself as a speaker. Nobody has that. Nobody adds that element.
So I highly recommend that you do take a look at what Deborah is offering, because trust me, you will get your money's worth tenfold.